So guys, this is going to be a quick analysis on what we are going to be expecting for the week on our GBP USD. So first thing first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button, make sure you like and share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single update. So you can also subscribe to our YouTube membership program also, so that once we drop 1 or 2 things, you will be able to go live with us. Because we will be going live, you will be able to go live with us, you'll be able to trade with us, you'll also be able to get some trade setups, you also get to get some chart patterns and some key levels, and exclusive updates will be covered for you guys. So do not miss out on it and subscribe to our YouTube membership. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our GBP USD. Now these are the 2 rules of trading I want you guys to have in mind and you should always be following. The first rule of trading is to know your trend. The second rule of trading is to trade the trend. So first, you have to know what the trend is. Second, you have to trade with the trend. Now, when you take a look at this, your GBP USD, you will see it is very clear and it is very simple. GBP USD is on a ranging market move, right? So take a look at this. This is on your daily time frame, by the way. Market was able to rally up to come to this resistance zone. Then it eventually dropped to tap our support zone, right? Market then eventually came back to our resistance zone. Then it's rejected and came back to our support zone, right? Market also rejected from our support zone and came back to our tap our resistance. Then it's rejected from the resistance zone and drew back to tap our support zone, right? Market eventually rejected from the support zone and came back to tap our resistance. Right from this resistance, it is now dropping. So we should expect market to continue that sell, that bearish move, till it is able to hit our support zone. So this is to tell you that a bearish move, right, is what we should be expecting on our GBP USD. So this is one of the reasons why, if you are not yet in the sell and you've not yet opened on the sell, you should be looking to go in for the sell. So now this is to tell you that a bearish move is what we should be expecting on our GBP USD. So this is the massive low that market did give us. Now this is a corrective movement. Now market is now giving us that continuous movement, which is an impulsive move. So we would expect this impulsive move to continue. So it is able to take out this low completely. So this is to tell you that we have a potential 90 to 100 pips. So we have about potential 100 pips to make right on GBP USD if you can go in on the sell right now. So now this is to tell you that to those that are in on the sell, it will be best to still hold in on your sell position. But if you are not yet in the sell and you want to look to go in for the sell, then you can now draw to your forward time frame and guess what? Wait for market to pull back. That is what you should be expecting, because this is a double top right that market has given us right here. Market was able to drop massively to take out this neckline and drop, right? Expect your market to pull back. Maybe once it pulls back and tap your 10-period simple moving average, that can now serve as a confluence zone that will eventually make market to drop to take out this low, thereby forming a new lower low. So all we are trying to say is that a bearish move is what we should be expecting on our GBP USD. Now the thing is that, could there be changes to this prediction that we just did? Absolutely yes, there could be changes. There's a potential they could, always make sure your bias are always flexible, not rigid. Your bias should always be flexible, just in case if market changes its trend, then I'm going to give you guys an update and let you guys to know. So if you do not want to miss out on the updates, it is very simple. Subscribe on the YouTube membership program, guys. You can also subscribe to this channel and also follow our Telegram. Like and share, make your comments. Now guys, what we're trying to say is that this week will be a bearish move. The market is able to tap the support level. So ultimately, this is our support target. This is our target. So a bearish move is what we should be expecting on GBP USD.